An empty cage, bold and spacious, preserved for the unbroken. An empty cage with doors wide open for the ignorant mind swims on ocean. Young strong man in a doorway of life, strong but doesn't know how to fight for his life, so instead he cries for women and treasures of the world, for friends and cry for a friend that he lacks. One man would lost on the shape of his love, like a woman he holds his mouth, worrying for a little. Like a red cockroach, he paints the world red, sailing from town to cities to cover every place. No corner is left to swallow his pride. A seasonal pretty woman, his love is not blind, and now files divorcement file, is losing his life. A child of his own died on her own blood. A woman that he imposed, trying to play his cards. Is he strong enough to keep this child, or have passionate love for his life to save mine? A young caged man, blinded like a caged bird, on the cage of plentiness and righteousness, his mind crowned, colored in blonde, his thoughts fades for womanhood that he wants, saying no to his own blood with empty eyes, to have the next woman of a dream, an empty life, boasting around friends like he needs a crown, chasing what was wrought for him to chase. Oh, you young clown. 30 years later, tears sails on west of his eyes, the wall face words to fade away happiness. He looks up well, lost everything, women and friends. Resilience becomes sickness, he turns to his grave, shying like a bird, can't even turn his face, reminiscing on his lost seed that he lost on his race. He's awakening and out of the cage, but 50 now, tries but it's late.